As you guys all know, it's important to restart your iPhone from time to time. So in this video, I'll show you how to schedule a weekly restart using the Shortcuts app. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Make sure you're on the Shortcuts tab, then tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now tap Add Action and search for Shutdown. Once you see the shutdown action added to your shortcut, you will then see a blue shutdown option inside the action. Tap it and change it to Restart. That's it. Your restart shortcut is ready. Next, tap Automation at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus button in the top right corner, then choose Time of Day. Now choose the exact time when you want to be reminded to restart your iPhone. Under Repeat, choose Weekly. Then select the day or days you want. For example, you could choose Sunday at 5 p.m. if that's a time when you normally are not using your iPhone. Then make sure the automation is set to run immediately, rather than asking you before the automation runs. Tap Next. Now select the restart shortcut you created earlier. And now, every week at the time and day you selected, your iPhone will trigger the restart action. There is one important thing you need to know. Even though the automation itself can run automatically, Apple does not allow the restart action to restart your iPhone completely hands-free. When the scheduled time arrives, you will still get a confirmation asking if you want to restart your iPhone. So when you see that prompt, simply tap Restart and your iPhone will restart. That means this is more like a scheduled restart reminder than a completely automatic restart. Restarting your iPhone from time to time can help clear temporary software glitches and may help when apps are crashing, the system feels sluggish, or something just is not behaving normally. You don't necessarily need to restart your iPhone every day. Setting this up once a week gives you an easy reminder to give your iPhone a fresh start. And the best part is that you only need to set it up once. So if you want to make sure you don't forget to restart your iPhone, give this automation a try. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the bell for more useful iPhone tips and tricks.